Okay, sir. This is Parabi and Jahangir Alam and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So recently, our team member Jahangir has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. And it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel, sir.
Okay, so can I share with you something?
Yeah, obviously.
So I have been approached by uh few like different guys who do similar things with you, right? And like I told you, they always promise, they always identify the same problem, correct? So they say, oh, you don't rank well on ACOs, you don't have enough views. So I'm like, okay, good, great. So, if everybody says the same thing, then okay, it's an issue, right? But what people fail to do is they always at the beginning they always say, okay, it's 500 US dollar, 1,000 US dollar. They always, ask for very high numbers. And if you look at my channel, it's not a business channel, right? It's not a making money channel, right?
Right.
It's more inspirational and religious than anything else, so it's more like to make people feel good, to empower people rather than to make money. So for me, I want to work. Of course, I have big dream for this channel, right? Correct. So I want a few things. I say first, I'm like, okay, you're gonna give me a lot of views. You're gonna maybe give me a lot of subscribers, but all these people, like, are they engaging? Because at the moment, I have been promoting the page on YouTube. You go on the video, promote the video, and then I spend maybe 50 US dollar, 100 US dollar. I want to start working with you for a minimal price to see, okay, this is what we do, this is how it works. To install the trust first.
Yeah.
And then after that, we can work on a regular basis.
Okay.
I mean, obviously, as a client, that's what I would love.
Okay, sir. So it sounds good. You are a very straightforward guy. So I like that type of person. So basically, sir, we want to try to be honest to our client and we want to give the proper service. And we believe in long-term workship because if I provide you the better service today, you will hire us for the next day. So we believe in the long-term relationships. And as you see, we are not a small agency. We are working with 100 plus clients till now. And I assure you that we will provide you the best service and we will provide you the genuine service. You can start with very lowest amount with us. So we are working with you according to your niche, according to your choice. So at first, my suggestion is you can start with our weekly package. We have two packages. One is weekly and another is monthly. In weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimization and we will optimize your video title, text, descriptions, and we'll research high volume rank text for your videos and we will increase your video SEO score and gradually you will get views not instant because SEO is an organic process, so you will not get instant views. So it takes sometimes 1 to 2 weeks to get results. So we'll optimize your 10 video and it needs 7 days to work and we will deliver you within 7 days and it costs $120. But if you want, you can you can take our per video service also, no problem. Per video is only $10. So you just start with some of the videos or weekly package, then you judge our work. If you are satisfied with our work, then you can go ahead. And we have another package with the monthly package. In monthly package we'll optimize you 30 video and it costs $300 for a month. So I do not suggest you for the monthly package because we at first we need to build a trust.
So,
And
okay, so if I start, okay, so where are you from, guys, by the way?
we are from Bangladesh.
Oh, very nice. Okay, okay. I am in Malaysia here.
Okay, okay.
I have a lot of Bangladesh friends. Okay, so can we start with the lowest? correct? So you know, I choose the videos, or you guys look at my videos and you choose one video, the one who will give you the best results. Okay, and then we'll take it from there. We see how it goes.
Okay. So it's sounds good, but if you do only one, then you cannot judge our work because
Oh,
if you
really?
yeah, you should take at first 3 to 5 videos to judge our work because
Okay.
your channel have lot of videos, but you just only do one video, so you can't judge our work, sir. So at least
Okay.
you take 3 videos. Per video is $10, and take our service, and we'll do SEO, and you judge our work. Then if you are satisfied, then you can go ahead, sir.
All right. So if I understand well, is $30 per week. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do I expect out of this? What result could I expect?
Okay, all of our work group and your results will show you that before your video SEO score, your video SEO score condition, your views, your likes, and after our work, your video SEO score, your video likes, views, how we increase all of the work group, we will show you.
Okay. Do you choose the country where it gets, or does the system choose the country
Yeah,
for you?
you will get your targeted location and your niche based audience.
So you find for me that, or I tell you this?
No, we will find from ourselves. No problem, sir.
You guys sound very professional. I really like what you offer. I mean, it's just for me because I want to work on the long term, right? So I need
Yeah,
to set the budget aside,
yeah.
and decide, okay, since I have this budget, then I can give you the budget, right?
Okay,
Then you
okay,
guys can, okay?
okay, sir.
So just let me work out few days, let me work around the budget, and then I come back to you.
Okay, sir. Bye bye. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Salams to both of
Mm.
you, and I'll
Yeah,
talk to you
walaikum assalam,
soon.
sir. Yeah. Mm. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah.